we have compared the basicity of amines, in which we have seen that tertiary amines are weak base than that of secondary amines. Primary amines are also weak base than secondary amines. That is, secondary amine is the strongest base in case of amines. Now we are going to discuss next point, factors influencing the basicity of amines. Now in which first factor we are going to see influence of inductive effect. In last year we have studied what is meant by inductive effect. It is the permanent polarization of single sigma covalent bond due to minor displacement of sigma electrons towards more electronegative atom. Now we have studied this in last year. This is ethyl chloride molecule CH3CH2Cl. Now here this chlorine is more electronegative. Therefore it withdraw electron from this CH2 group or from this CH3CH2 group, and therefore polarization of the molecule takes place. This chlorine becomes minor negatively charged and this carbon becomes minor positively charged. This effect induced in the chain, therefore here this carbon also becomes minor positively charged, and therefore polarization of the molecule takes place. This is called as inductive effect. Now here when amines undergo dissociation in water, then this nitrogen possesses a lone pair of electron. Therefore when amines undergo dissociation, here conjugate acid is formed. This is the conjugate acid of amine, or it is protonated amine, because this lone pair of electron absorb this H plus ion or proton and OH minus ion is removed, and here this conjugate acid is formed, or it is protonated amine is formed. Now the basicity of amines depends upon the stability of this conjugate acid. Now here these are the conjugated acids of ammonia, primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine. That is, when these all amines undergo dissociation in water, they form
conjugate acid.
Now these
Conjugate acid
are stabilized, that is, the positive charge on nitrogen atom is stabilized by resonance effect. Now here now first we are going to see this tertiary amine.
conjugate acid.
Now this
Conjugate
of
acid.
tertiary amine is stabilized by plus I effect of this alkyl group. Here there are three alkyl groups. These three alkyl groups are electron donating group, which donate electron to nitrogen atom by plus I effect, and therefore this nitrogen atom in tertiary amine, or this N plus or this conjugate acid of tertiary amine gets stabilized by inductive effect of these three alkyl group. Now in case of secondary amine, there are only two alkyl groups which can donate electron to nitrogen atom by plus I effect. In case of primary amine, there is only one alkyl group which can donate electron to nitrogen atom by inductive effect, and here in this conjugate acid, that is conjugate acid of ammonia, there is absence of any alkyl group which can stabilize this N plus ion, and therefore this conjugate acid is less stabilized, but this conjugate acid is more stabilized. Therefore this is stable 3-degree conjugate or tertiary conjugate acid of tertiary amine is more stabilized by plus I effect. Then this conjugate acid of secondary amine is stabilized. Then here this conjugate acid of primary amine is stabilized, and this is least, or it is unstable. This conjugate acid of ammonia is unstable. Now this is due to plus I effect of this alkyl group. From this we can say that 3-degree
Conjugate acid.
or this R3NH is more stable than that of R2NH2 then RNH3, and then NH4 plus. Then we can write the stability of conjugate acids in this order, that is, this is least stabilized, then like this, and then like this. That is, conjugate acid of tertiary amine is mostly stabilized, or it is, therefore we can say that it is strongest base. Then this conjugate acid of secondary amine, which is stronger base but weaker than that of tertiary amine, and then this one, that is conjugate acid of primary amine, is least stabilized due to presence of only one alkyl group, and this is unstable due to absence of alkyl group or electron donating alkyl group. Therefore, this is the order of stabilization of conjugate acids of amines. Now, from this we can say that this tertiary amine is strongest base than that of secondary amine, and secondary amine is stronger than that of primary amine. Primary amine is the weakest base. But therefore we can say the expected order of stabilization of this acid like this: R3NH is stronger base, then R2NH, then RNH2, and NH3 is the weakest base, and tertiary amine is the strongest base. But observed order of stabilization of this amine or basicity amine is here NH3 is weaker than that of primary amine, then secondary amine. Secondary amine is the stronger base than that of primary amine, but we have seen that the pKb value of this secondary amine is smaller than that of this tertiary amine. Therefore, this secondary amine is the strongest base than that of tertiary amine. This is the observed order of stabilization. From this we can say that this tertiary amine is the weakest acid or weaker acid. Now here, along with inductive effect, some another factor also influence the stability of conjugate acid of these amines. And now we are going to see second factor. Next factor we are going to see that influence the basicity of amines is influence of solvation. Now when these amines undergo dissociation in water, they form conjugate acid or protonated amines. Now these protonated amines or conjugate acids, when solvated in water, now here this is protonated amine of ammonia, or this is protonated ammonia or conjugate acid of ammonia, and when it undergoes solvation, then it forms hydrogen bonding with 4 water molecule. That is, this protonated ammonia forms hydrogen bonding with 4 water molecule, and therefore it is more stabilized. Now in case of this primary amine, now this is the conjugate acid of primary amine. When this conjugated acid of primary amine gets solvated in water, then it forms hydrogen bonding with 3 water molecule and therefore gets stabilized. Now in case of conjugate acid of secondary amine, when it undergoes solvation in water, it forms hydrogen bonding with 2 water molecules. And in case of conjugate acid of tertiary amine, it forms hydrogen bonding with only one water molecule. These water molecules or these solvated water molecules, the solvent water molecule stabilizes the conjugate acid by forming the hydrogen bonding. And here the conjugate acid of ammonia forms hydrogen bonding with 4 water molecule, therefore it is more stabilized than that of this primary conjugate acid of primary amine. Here the hydrogen bonding with 3 water molecules are formed and therefore it is less stabilized than that of this ammonia. In case of this secondary amine, here this conjugate acid of secondary amine gets solvated by 2 water molecule by forming 2 hydrogen bonding with 2 water molecule, and in case of conjugate acid of tertiary amine, it forms only 1 hydrogen bonding with 1 water molecule and therefore it is least stabilized. Therefore, according to on the basis of this solvation, we can say that this conjugate acid of ammonia is more stabilized as compared to that of conjugate acid of primary amine, and this conjugate acid of primary amine is more stabilized by solvation than that of the conjugate acid of secondary amine, and this conjugate acid of secondary amine is more solvated than that of the conjugate acid of tertiary amine. And from this solvation basis, we can say that this tertiary amine is least stabilized and therefore it is weak base. Now, from this solvation, we can say that this ammonia or conjugate acid of ammonia is more stabilized than conjugate acid of secondary amine, which is more stabilized than conjugate acid of secondary amine, and which is more stabilized than conjugate acid of tertiary amine. That is, tertiary amine is least stabilized by solvation, and therefore from this we can say that tertiary amine is weak base. Now here we can discuss third influence, that is combined influence, that is effect of plus I effect and effect of solvation. Now from solvation we can say that when solvation is carried out, formation of this conjugate acid takes place. Then here conjugate acid of tertiary amine is least stabilized than that of conjugate acid of secondary amine, and then that of conjugate acid of primary amine and conjugate acid of ammonia. That is, here by solvation we can say that this ammonia is strong base and this tertiary amine is weak base. From plus I effect we can say that from plus I effect the basicity of the amine increases from ammonia to tertiary amine, and from solvation we can say that the basicity increases from tertiary amine to ammonia. That is, tertiary amine is weak base and ammonia is stronger base on the basis of solvation, and on the basis of plus I effect or inductive effect, ammonia is the weak base and tertiary amine is the strong base. Now here therefore we can write the order of basicity of amine is that like this: NH3, or it is increasing order of basicity of amine, NH3, then RNH2, R2NH and R3NH. That is, tertiary amine is the strongest base, then secondary amine, then primary amine, and weakest base is ammonia. But due to the solvation, that is effect of solvation, this tertiary amine is least stabilized by water or by formation of hydrogen bonding with water. This secondary amine is the strongest base. Now we are going to see the basicity of aryl amines, that is aromatic amines. Now here example of aniline is taken. When this, according to Lowry-Bronsted theory, when aniline undergo dissociation in water, it forms this anilinium ion. That is this nitrogen atom which possesses a lone pair of electron which absorb this H plus ion to form NH3 plus, that is anilinium ion plus OH minus ion. Now here we are going to discuss the stability of this conjugate acid formed from aniline, that is anilinium ion, and this stability of aniline. Now first we are going to see the stability of aniline. Now here this is aniline. In aniline, the nitrogen atom which possesses a lone pair of electron is conjugated with the benzene ring. That is here lone pair of electrons, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond and single bond. That is here conjugate system is present, and due to this lone pair of electron of this NH2 group conjugate or resonate in the benzene ring like this. That is this electron pair shifts in between nitrogen and carbon atom, and then these pi electrons in benzene ring shifts on this carbon atom to form negative charge at ortho position and NH2 plus ion. Now here this electron pair shifts on in between these two carbon atom, and here negative charge is obtained at para position. Then same thing here, resonance or this electron pair at para position shifts in between these two carbon atom, and then here this carbon-carbon pi electron shifts on this carbon atom to form negative charge again at ortho position, and again this electron pair shifts between these two carbon atoms, and pi electron shifts on nitrogen atom to form this resonating structure. These are the 5 resonating structure which stabilizes aniline. Therefore, this aniline is more stable. That is, these electron pairs are not available for the protonation or to form conjugate acid. Therefore, this anilinium ion is least stable because here there is absence of a lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom, and therefore only conjugation or resonance between this benzene ring is carried out like this, and this electron or paired pi electrons in benzene ring resonate in such a way, and only 2 resonating structures are there, which therefore this anilinium ion is less stable than that of this aniline. This aniline is stabilized by the resonance because this electron pair present on nitrogen atom are conjugated with the benzene ring and which resonate in the benzene ring, and therefore least available for the protonation, and therefore equilibrium shifts towards left, and therefore this conjugate best or this anilinium ion is less stable, and therefore these aryl amines and aniline are weak base.
This is homework for you. Complete this homework and submit it on Google Classroom.